Are you good? It looks like it's been through a lot.
The starfish is just kind of sad. And anyhow, we're going to kind of see how this turns out.
It's a little stanky.
All right, so this starfish is attempting to grow back a limb here, and then also attempting to grow back another limb here, and it somehow got into the bucket that made it to the dissection at the community college. So thank you for helping us learn more about the ocean. We looked at the other side, and we could see digestive glands in here, but not really much on gonads. And you can see the endoskeletal plates pretty well inside, the ambulacral ridge going down the middle. So thank you, starfish, for helping us learn more.
The brown bone.
What is that?
Like, what is it?
Like it looks bruised or something?
No,
Like,
like
what's
on
that
the
stuff
inside,
coming
like.
Oh, those are part of the digestive glands. That's what it injects into its prey. You're saying this stuff right here?
Yeah.
Those are part of the digestive glands. And it just looks so skinny, like it needs a good meal or something. Okay, ladies, thank you.